Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the USB into a reliable port and confirm the drive appears. You need to know where your photos live, Photos app, DSIM, or a custom folder, because that determines the copy method. If the drive is new, format to a compatible file system. Make sure it's set to XFAT for cross-platform use. Once done, open the folder containing images and sort by date or album so you copy only what you intend. Now copy the photos. For a quick method, select folders and drag them to the USB. You'll see progress and an estimated time. If you prefer automation, set up backup software, choose source folders, the USB as destination, and a schedule for incremental backups to save space. Make sure to verify the transfer by comparing file counts and total sizes. For extra assurance, run a checksum or hash tool on a sample file to confirm integrity before ejecting the drive. Finish by safely ejecting the USB once all writes finish. This prevents corruption. Make a quick spot check. Open several photos from the drive to confirm they display correctly. If files are missing, check for hidden files, folder permissions, or refresh the view and rerun the transfer. Sometimes antivirus can block copies. If you see write errors, try another port or cable, test the USB on a different computer, and consider reformatting, only after you've confirmed no recoverable data remains.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.